Hey guys, it's a beautiful day in South Carolina and we decided to stop by 5 Star Tuning to see what they have going on. They've got a little treat for us today. Check out what's over here on the ground. So in the dyno we've got a Roush blown F-150. It's actually a Roush edition F-150 that they're working on. I think what you guys might like to see is this pretty shiny MBRP exhaust. And it's going on this brand new platinum 2020 Tremor Super Duty with the 7.3 liter V8. You see we got the stock exhaust already off of it and getting ready to bolt the MBRP exhaust on. As soon as that's in place, I'm gonna crank it up, let you guys listen, see what you think it sounds like. We got the MBRP exhaust bolted on. You can see, I like this muffler. Looks really nice. And I do like the black coated exhaust. It goes really well with the black on this platinum Tremor. Looks really nice. So let's get it off the rack and fire it up. So I know a lot of you guys are probably interested in knowing how much power there is to be gained by removing the stock system and installing a high flow system from someplace like, say, MBRP. Well, on these 7.3 liter Fords, Ford actually did a pretty good job engineering this exhaust. If you'll notice, the factory piping is all 3.5 inches. This is just a chamber to attenuate the tone of the exhaust. The factory mufflers are, even though this thing is huge, if you can see up in here, it's a chambered muffler and it's actually a pretty good design. This whole system is fairly high flowing. So from just a Cat-Back, I wouldn't expect a ton of power, but as you can see, it definitely makes a difference in the tone of the engine. Here's another just factory Ford resonator that you'll see on a lot of trucks, and as you can see, it's a straight through design. The factory exhaust systems are pretty well designed, but one thing I can say is this thing is heavy. There's a lot of weight in this, and probably just by installing a Cat-Back, probably knocking off 20-30 pounds just from getting rid of this heavy muffler and going to a straight through bullet style muffler from a company like MBRP. So I wouldn't look for a ton of power from a Cat-Back. You'll definitely get a better sounding engine and lose some weight. So sort of a win-win there.